Hello and welcome to this demo on log forwarding to Chronosphere Observability Platform. In this demo, you will be taking a look at setting up a Chronosphere logs destination and forwarding log entries from a Kubernetes cluster to said destination. Telemetry pipelines can forward data from multiple sources to multiple destinations. In this setup, we have one source, which is the Kubernetes cluster, and one destination, which is Chronosphere logs. Let us take a look at the configuration of the destination endpoint. To create a Chronosphere logs destination, you must provide the following two parameters. First, you must provide the tenant's hostname. Second, you must generate an ingest API token and use it here. The ingest token is used to authenticate to Chronosphere Observability Platform, permitting you to forward logs to it. That completes the setup for the destination endpoint. The pipeline is now configured to forward logs to a Chronosphere tenant. Next, let us confirm if this works as expected. Switching over to the observability platform, let us take a look at the incoming log stream. As you can see here, log messages are successfully being streamed to the destination. You can also see a list of fields reported in the log messages on the left. That is all for this demo. Thank you for watching.